Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. The signal's rough, but you're coming through. No, I'm fine. Really. The blizzard is bad, yeah. Whiteout conditions. I can't see 10 meters beyond the station, but the building is holding. Power's out, but the generator's running. I've got heat, food, and a good book. Enough of everything to last days if I have to. So yeah, I'm good. I'll just wait it out. Once the storm passes and my replacement arrives, I'll head back down into the valley. What is it? A missing hiker? You're kidding me. Really? Now? In this storm? Of course it had to happen tonight. All right. Yeah, I'm calm. Tell me the details. Male, alone, lost his group, blue jacket. Last time he was seen was at the crossroads by Rock Castle. Okay, I know that ridge. That's close. I know every darn stone up here. I'll go. Yeah, I'm geared. I'll call you back once I find him. I hate this mountain when it's like this. The snow is hitting like needles. I can barely keep my eyes open. But I have to find him. Easy, easy. Don't slip, Alina. Fall and maybe break my leg, this will become a disaster for both of us. Okay, this is the crossroads. I can barely see it anymore, but it looks like someone slid down the embankment here a while ago. Careful. So, where are you? Wait, there. Oh, crap. Hey, can you hear me? Hello? Nothing. You're ice cold. Chest. I can't tell if it's moving. If you're breathing. Hopefully you still have a pulse. Wrist. Nothing. Neck. Unsure. Because you're so cold, I can't tell if this is your pulse or mine. I have to take you to the mountain station. I know what the books say. You're not supposed to move someone in deep hypothermia. Cold blood from the limbs can rush back too fast to the heart, causing it to stop. If I leave you here, you're already dead. Hold on, okay? You're lighter than you look. Careful, careful, step by step. Boom! Almost slipped. And we're back on the path. Station isn't far. Hang in there. I've got you. Just don't leave me now. We've made it. I'll lay you down here. First, let's get the stuff off you. Gloves. Jacket. Boots. There's ice in your hair. Must have been lying out there for hours. I need to check you out. Pulse in your neck. I can't tell. I really can't feel it. I need to be sure. I'm sorry, I'm gonna lay my head on your chest now. I need to take a listen if your heart is still beating. Please. Please be alive. There it is. It's weak and slow. I was surprised that I wasn't able to find your pulse. But it's there. That's all I need for now. Central, this is Alina. I found him. He was buried in the snow. He has severe hypothermia. No, he's unconscious. His heart is beating, but right now he's closer to death than to life. I understand. No medical team until the storm clears up. We'll hold out. I'll try to warm him up. Call me back when the rescue team is on the way. All right, now it's just you and me. I've got you. I'm gonna wrap us in this blanket. There. Oh, you're so cold that I'm starting to freeze too. But you're in my arms now. Chest to chest. Do you hear that? That's my heartbeat. Steady and strong. I want you to hear it. Follow its rhythm and let it guide you back to life. Just stay with me. I won't let you go. You'll wake up when you're ready. My heart will remind yours how to beat. You're safe. I've got you. This script was written by SailToYourDreams and originally posted on Reddit. And thank you also to their friend Andre, who wrote this before he passed in December of 2022. I hope I did this script justice.